Hey everyone, in this video we are going to perform some Kali Linux commands. So let's start. The first command is ls, which used for list the files and directory. The second command is pwd. It prints the current directory, which for print work directory. The next command is we are going to perform mkdir, which is used to create directory. We can use this as mkdir, then directory name. This we can say code kiya. This will create a command. You can check this with ls command. See, there is code kiya directory, you can see here. Now moving, we can delete also this directory by using rmdir code kiya. This will remove the directory. You can check there is no code kiya directory. The next command we are going to use is cat command. Cat is used for read the file, but before cat we have to make a file. For example, I can cat the att.txt, which does, it is just a code file that I created a while ago. There's a cat command used to read the file, then clear command, which is to clear the entire terminal screen. Then again we have nano command. We can, in through this command, we create files and edit them. For example, nano codegear.txt, this is the extension, and there we can write subscribe, subscribe my channel for more videos. Then we can exit using control X, then confirm, then click enter. We can see that using ls, that's codegear.txt, and we can read this file by you typing cat using cat command. The txt, okay, sorry, this is my mistake. What is the code liya command हो गया? Oh, that's problem. कोड लिया कमांड, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल की स्पेलिंग भी गलत हो चुकी है क्योंकि मैं नर्वस हूँ. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर माय मोटिवेशन टू इंक्रीज. Okay, moving to next command. What is the next command will be? The next command will be, okay, so before going to next one, we have to show some tools applications for you guys. These are the various tools that Kali Linux provide. We are going to using one by one each tool in the upcoming videos, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can use this to prank someone, to make a career in this, and we are going to learn each tools, and I'm going to teach you in this video. That's okay, that's the only thing. And if you don't have Kali Linux, you can download Kali Linux by going to their official website kali.org, and you can download for your according to your system specification. And I'm not going to detail in the installation. You can check out the other videos is for installations, and I can show you this is the website that we are going to using. This is the Kali organization.x website. You can go to this website and download the Kali files, and be ready with me. We are going to explore each and every tool which Kali has to provide. There are some famous tools: ARM, bare metal, cloud, containers. Oh no, these are not tools, they are Kali Linux supporter which can be used to install. You can check this website for more, and there is a Kali blog. There is everything. We can like dark mode. Subscribe for more videos.